Let's start the week of breakfast with some roasties, an egg, and knackis. So first you put the oil in the pan like you usually do, you let it warm up, but actually I put the roasties before the oil is really warm because it takes a long time to defrost. This is me just dancing, don't mind me. When you see the roasties are pretty much cooked and then you can add the gnocchi. When you see that the gnocchi is starting to get really hot and like starting to get like separated, like have a line in the middle, you can also add the egg. I usually don't eat sweet in the morning. I eat salty stuff, but let's make a smoothie. I'm just gonna make a smoothie with orange juice, uh, fresh strawberries, and frozen mango. For today, you're gonna need like this weird pan thing. You actually don't need it. I just prefer working with that. Some chorizo. I use some non-spicy one and potato. You know how to peel a potato, so I'm gonna show you anyways. This is a bincha, by the way. I don't know. Is Belgium the only country with like weird ass potatoes, but like 30 different kind of potatoes? Okay, you cut the potatoes. I cut them in like fry style, but you don't have to. You cut them like you want. So for the chorizo, I'm cutting it in cubes, but again, you cut it like you want to. Once the potatoes start to be cooked, you add the chorizo, and then when the potatoes have taken the color of the chorizo very well, you can add the egg. It's not supposed to be mixed in. You're supposed to like let it cook over it, but for some reason it broke once more. So yeah, here you go. Let's battle the avocado that I felt like it was ripe when closed, but then ended up not being as ripe as it let me believe. We're gonna put some cheese on a toast and put it in the microwave to melt, not for too long. I lost a fragment where I'm dicing tomatoes and stuff, but I added diced tomatoes, diced onion, some spices, olive oil, and some lemon to the avocado. And yeah, that's it. I mixed it all. I put it on the toast with cheese, and then I added an egg over it. This is kind of my favorite kind of avocado toast with the cheese and the egg. If you're into Asian culture and stuff like that, you know what I'm doing right now. I'm making those octopuses out of gnocchis. Then I'm adding spring onion. Is it spring onion in English? I'm just putting my ramen in boiling water, adding the spices. Those are my favorite ramen. Shin ramyeon, I cannot say correctly. They're supposed to be spicy, but they're not that spicy, honestly. And they're amazing in the morning, at midday, at night. I know you're not supposed to eat ramen at night because like it makes your face puff, but yeah. So here I'm adding what like I cut earlier, the little octopuses that I put in the microwave earlier, and I'm watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. For this one, I'm not actually making anything. I'm taking something that is already made. It's goat cheese with bacon around it. And you're not supposed to eat it as breakfast, but I really like it. Yeah, you normally eat it before as entrée. I don't know how you say that. It's really good. You can add some honey if you want, but I prefer it without. So here you have me eating this. Here we are at my favorite recipe of all, grilled cheese à la mie. So I add some cheddar, and then I'm adding some mozzarella. This mozzarella tastes like plastic on its own, but like when you do it like this, it's amazing. Here I'm adding some parsley. I don't know how you say it in English, and some garlic. Okay, so actually in the past I didn't put anything over it, like I just put it in the oven like that. But like I've learned from American people that like they add butter on it. So this is kind of like a liquid buttery thing, except it's not butter, it's from plants. And here I got it out of the oven and it's really good. By the way, I put it usually on like the turning thing, and then I put it on grill for like 5 minutes, like 30 minutes each side. But my oven is kind of broken, so it's not really good. And then I add sriracha because it's really good. I eat spicy in the morning all the time, I'm sorry. So this is me editing and realizing that I don't have an intro, and neither do I have an outro. So here's my outro. I'm too lazy to start like moving every single fragment to get the intro in, because for some reason I can't just put it in. Um, sounds weird. Whatever. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try some. If you try some, tell me, and tell me what you think about it. I'm sorry if it's a little chaotic. Just remember that I was filming this in the morning, okay? Like I'm not thinking clearly in the morning. That's why there are so many fragments that like are missing, because I just forget, and I'm not used to filming my breakfasts. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it anyways, and I'll see you again in another video.